After delivering one of this year's biggest blockbusters, Ahaan Pandey and Aneet Padda, the stars of Sayara, have finally been spotted together in Mumbai. The film has crossed an incredible 500 crore rupees worldwide, turning both debut actors into overnight sensations. Fans have been eagerly waiting to see the on-screen pair step out together, and now their wait is over. A viral video on social media shows Ahaan and Aneet exiting a showroom in a popular Mumbai mall. Both kept it low-key, wearing face masks and casual outfits. Ahaan looked effortlessly cool in a black jacket and light blue jeans, while Aneet wore a sky blue shirt with denim. But what caught everyone's attention wasn't just their style, it was a sweet moment between the two stars. As they walked out, Ahaan gently extended his arm towards Aneet, inviting her to hold it. But Aneet, looking shy and aware of the cameras, politely declined with a slight smile. That simple gesture sparked a lot of excitement online. One fan commented he wanted to hold her hand. Another added, "They're definitely dating." And a third wrote, "We want to see them together on screen again. The chemistry is unreal." Sayara is directed by Mohit Suri, who says the film really struck a chord with audiences worldwide. The movie has earned over 300 crore rupees at the Indian box office alone, with a global total now above 500 crore rupees. The cast also features Alam Khan, Sid Makkar, Shan Grover, Rajesh Kumar, and Varun Badola. In a recent interview, Mohit Suri shared a special moment from the shoot that convinced him the film would be a hit. He said, "We were shooting the piano scene when she says something and he just kisses her forehead and he's leaving. I walked out and told our creative producer Sumna, I am making a very good film." With Sayara's success showing no signs of slowing down, fans are eagerly waiting for the next collaboration between Ahaan Pandey and Aneet Padda. Will the pair reunite on screen soon? Only time will tell. For more updates on your favorite stars, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Popular Indian comedian Kapil Sharma's cafe in Canada, Caps Cafe, has become the target of two shooting incidents within just 1 month, sparking major concerns about safety and organized crime threats abroad. The cafe, co-owned by Kapil and his wife Ginni Chatrat, is located in Surrey, British Columbia. The first attack occurred on 10 July 2025 when gunshots were fired at the establishment. The bullets shattered windows and left holes in the structure, but fortunately, no one inside was injured. At the time of the attack, employees were present in the building. Now, in a shocking repeat, a second attack has taken place. On 7th August, a total of 25 bullets were fired at the cafe. According to official reports, two criminal gangs, one led by Gurpreet Singh aka Goldie Dhillon and the other by Lawrence Bishnoi, have allegedly claimed responsibility for the shootings via social media. A disturbing Facebook post surfaced following the latest incident, where Goldie Dhillon, said to be affiliated with the Lawrence Bishnoi gang, admitted to the attack and even issued a warning directed at the comedian. The post reads, "Jai Shri Ram. Sat Shri Akal, Ram Ram to all brothers." The firing that happened today at Kapil Sharma's Caps Cafe in Surrey has been claimed by Goldie Dhillon, affiliated with the Lawrence Bishnoi gang. The Surrey Police Service, SPS, has confirmed the second firing incident and released an official statement regarding the case. According to the statement, on 7th August, SPS frontline officers responded to a report of shots fired outside a business in the 8400 block of 120 Street. The same business was the location of a similar incident on 10th July. Numerous SPS police resources and Delta Police Department units responded, and while it appears multiple shots caused damage to the windows and building, fortunately the staff on premises were uninjured. Ironically, this second shooting came just days after Caps Cafe hosted a community lunch for Surrey Mayor Brenda Locke and members of the Surrey Police Service, aimed at promoting unity, safety, and community solidarity. While no injuries have been reported in either incident, the repeated attacks and public threats have raised serious concerns about targeted violence and gang-related intimidation. Authorities continue their investigation, and the local community remains hopeful that peace will soon return, without any further harm to individuals or property. Sad news has touched the close-knit world of Bollywood as Salman Khan's trusted bodyguard and long-time companion, Shera, mourns the loss of his father. On 7th August, Shera's father, Sundar Singh Jolly, passed away after a courageous battle with cancer. He was 88 years old. The final rites were held at Oshiwara Crematorium in Jogeshwari West. Later that day, Salman Khan visited Shera's residence to offer his condolences. Heartwarming videos quickly went viral on social media, showing Salman embracing a grief-stricken Shera, providing comfort and support during this difficult time. Their bond runs deep, it's a friendship and loyalty that spans decades. Fans across the country have been moved by the emotional visuals and praised Salman's genuine care for his bodyguard. The comment sections on social media have flooded with condolence messages, heart emojis, and admiration for Salman's kindness. Just a few months ago, Shera had posted a photo with his father on his 88th birthday, calling him his hero and his inspiration. Shera is well known for his towering presence beside Salman Khan at major events, from Eid celebrations to film promotions. He is one of the most iconic celebrity bodyguards in India. He has been working with Salman since the early 1990s after a successful career in bodybuilding. Meanwhile, Salman Khan is busy preparing for his upcoming film, Battle of Galwan, where he will play Colonel B. Santosh Babu. The movie, directed by Apurva Lakhia, is expected to begin shooting this month in Ladakh. Our heartfelt condolences go out to Shera and his family during this difficult time. For more updates from Bollywood, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. A shocking and heartbreaking incident has shaken the Qureshi family. Asif Qureshi, a distant cousin of Bollywood actors Huma Qureshi and Salib Salim, was tragically killed in Delhi following a minor parking dispute. The incident happened late Thursday night, around 11 p.m., in the Bhogal Market Lane area of Jungpura, South Delhi. Asif reportedly asked his neighbor to move a scooter that was blocking the entrance to his home. What should have been a simple request turned into a deadly argument. According to police, a heated exchange broke out between the two, and in a shocking act of violence, the neighbor attacked Asif with a sharp object. Asif was rushed to the hospital in critical condition, but doctors declared him dead on arrival. His family says the attacker had argued with Asif before and believed this wasn't just a random fight, but a brutal killing over a petty issue. The area falls under the Nizamuddin police station. Authorities have launched an investigation and filed a case. A manhunt is now underway to find the accused. Police are gathering CCTV footage and speaking with witnesses as the investigation continues. Not much is known publicly about Asif, but he was part of the same extended family as Huma Qureshi and Sadib Salim, both well-known names in Indian cinema. Huma has won hearts with her powerful performances in Gangs of Wasipur, Badlapur, and Monica, Oh My Darling. Sadib is known for films like 83, Race 3, and the series Bard of Blood. The Qureshi family is quite well known in South Delhi. Their father, Salim Qureshi, is a successful businessman who runs a chain of restaurants in multiple cities. This tragic event has not only left a family grieving but has also raised concerns over growing violence over everyday disputes. We send our heartfelt condolences to the Qureshi family during this painful time. Stay tuned for more updates as the investigation unfolds. For more news and updates, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.